Humans are part of nature but also have the capacity to alter and impact it. Sustainable living involves finding a balance between human needs and the needs of the natural world. Protecting nature is essential for the well being of current and future generations. Nature is fundamentally important for human survival and well being, providing essential resources like clean air, water, and food while also supporting our mental health and physical health. Nature is a precious gift encompassing all living and non living entities. It provides us with air, water, food, and shelter. The beauty of nature soothes our souls and brings us closer to the marvels of creation. Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere you go. Everything that lives and grows in is nature. Animals big and small. Nature is plants that grow so tall. Nature is beautiful in every way, wonderful, exciting, and needs our care. So listen, learn, and do your part to keep nature beautiful forever. Thank you.